Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing experiments. And it is called basically making somebody go at Mach speed with rotors. Alright, so what we want, because obviously this probably won't work. How fast are we going? 34 miles per hour. So that's not going to work. Which is why I have a different idea. I thought if you place something kind of like this, then we could maybe collectively grab a bunch of power. With that power, we could probably make things go pretty fast. Gotta see how going pretty fast now. Things are stable. So how long is this? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all you gotta do is just go up 12. Or how about we go 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then see how fast we're going now. 200 miles per hour. Now let's try this. Speed. Well, practically downward. So now let's put ourselves at the absolute edge. We're gonna add ourselves some more motors. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. And now we go. Now let's try that. Now, let's get this out of the way. Now let's copy this entire thing. And perhaps this is a terrible idea. Or perhaps this is just the beginning of the great ideas. Who knows? This is probably, for all I know, a very bad idea. And in fact, I am getting so big. We are 400 kg, which is pretty heavy in terms of these experiments. Ah, yes, it's controlled. Okay. let's get on the seat now. Yeah. So instead of having that much, oh. We're just gonna delete some. We practically shaved off some speed, so really might not be the best idea. I think now we find how much this. Oh. God damn it. Okay, we seem to be spawning pretty high in the sky. But that doesn't do anything good for us right now, because we want to be... So I'm pretty sure we made it pretty clear that we probably shouldn't do it like this. So let's find this. This one gave us... Alright. So this gave us 40 miles per hour, 400 miles per hour. Perhaps we could, drag glitch it. Perhaps that will work. Worketh it shall. Now we're drag glitching this because, well, there's no other way, there's no other good way. Looks like we broke the sound barrier. In fact, so well. That it can't handle itself. No, obviously I used a glitch, but how else are you gonna do it? Oh, okay. Anyways. Big scratch. This was able to break the sound barrier, but can we make it so that it continuously goes on the sound barrier without breaking? I don't know. Let's figure that one out. Okay, so what I was thinking, first, we get rid of some anchor. Definitely it works still on sound barrier, but does not work on anything else. let's try deleting some of these, making it a little bit more stable. Can I go down? No. Is it way more stable? Yes. I think I see the problem now. You see, now, instead of doing that, we will do this, because this one does not work the best. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And loved it. Now, put it on toggle, and then we'll see what happens. Goodbye.